Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. In this video, I'm going to share very beautiful, creative, amazing, and trendy design ideas and collection relevant to denim embroidery ideas. That is how you can design your already in use or very new, simple pants, jeans. And the idea is not only limited to this, you can also design these very beautiful patterns of embroidery onto your trousers, onto your secret pants, onto your capri, onto your plazos, and many more other types of bottoms as well. So before going into the further details, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel, or you haven't subscribed my channel, or you're watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos with your friends and family. And in the comment section, don't forget to leave comments that which design you like the most and why, and what you want us to share with you in our new and latest upcoming videos. Guys, we try our best to share amazing, beautiful, easy, and creative hand embroidery ideas so that you can get all type of creativity through our channel. So keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been, because with your love and support we could grow into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. These type of different stylized patterns of pocket embroidery could also be used for designing your t-shirts, shirts, and any type of tops. And by making a pocket onto them, you can give them a very sleek and decent look also. And guys, subscribers are very important. If you have already subscribed, then you can also subscribe from number of other devices so that our YouTube family members could expand. And we never intend or reclaim someone else's work as our own. The basic purpose and motive behind making videos and sharing design ideas with you is to share some creativity only. With this, allow me to leave, but you don't go anywhere. Watch the video till end and stay tuned for the more and new upcoming ideas on my channel. Up till then, take care.